Welcome to Performance Unlimited. What we have for you today on the test stand is a 347 stroker with 425 horsepower. This customer happened to choose this engine to be painted red with the black ignition wires. He also chose to go with the March alternator only pulley kit. Very nice choice. Let me fire this motor up and let you listen to it. She's a real gem. There you have it. Anything we can help you with? Definitely feel free to give us a call, 800-267-3940. Remember, the proof is in the Proformance.